Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Before we continue, well, the sun is super bright in my eyes at this moment. Please excuse the echo. This is an empty space, and hopefully I could turn this into my office very soon. So yeah,
Hope all of you are having a wonderful day. I know I am. Being productive, being busy, and busy creating something awesome. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. If you guys saw the previous video, you know that I'm starting a business, and I want all of you to actually help me on this journey. So the whole idea is to start a company, right? So if you know companies like Virgin, you'll know it's Virgin Atlantic, Virgin Australia, Virgin Mobile, Virgin Active, all of those companies. So that's basically what I want to do. I want to have one company and then divide it into a whole bunch of different things, okay? Now I haven't decided on a name just yet. We'll get to that part, but nevertheless. So the first step that I'm doing is I'm going to start a development company in terms of software and website development from a user experience point of view. So that's what I'm busy working on at the moment. That's where all the research is centered, and where the business plan is going to be centered, and marketing analysis, and all of that is going to be centered around a UX, UI company. Okay, so according to my research, there are about 6 to 7 steps in a business plan. Your first would be your executive summary, then it would be the opportunities, then your execution, then your company and management summary. After that would be a financial plan, and then an appendix. The extra step that I am adding in would be research, which I think is the most important part. So that would be step 1.
Okay, so I'm busy with the research regarding a business plan, right? And I've come down to the conclusion that most of the different websites that offer you how to write a business plan and whatnot it all falls under about 6 or 7 different steps that you need to follow. So there's 3 websites that seem to me, if you use those 3 websites, you'll have a thorough understanding of how to actually write a business plan. So let me quickly show you. Well, get this camera off of my tripod. There we go. Okay, so first of all, what we have is, just do this quickly. Cool. Okay, so the first website would be Forbes website, and they've got actually quite a nice layout of everything that you need to do, or everything that you need to consider to write a business plan. Second is this Inc.com, same thing, also a nice list of layouts for business plan, things to consider. And then third is the Shopify website, with nice descriptions under everything that you have to write down in your business plan to have a clear, what's the word, to have a clear understanding of what is required. So get this back over here.
It would be research, executive opportunities. So it would be research, executive summary, opportunities, execution, company and management summaries, financial plan, and your appendix. Now, breaking down every one of those 6 steps into the following. Your executive summary will be what your main objectives are of your company and your mission statement. So basically just who you are, what you do, what you plan on doing, and everything surrounding that. The second step would be your opportunities, which is basically what is it that you are selling. Are you solving a problem? What is the problem that you are solving? What is your target market, and who is your competition? Third would be your execution, which is your marketing and sales plan. So that also goes hand in hand with your target market and the research surrounding that, and how you are going to be marketing your product or service towards your customers/consumers. After which we get to your company and management summary. So your company and management summary all heads around who is in your company, who are the managers, what the management structure is like, the different departments that you have, who are the potential employees that you are going to be hiring or that you need to hire, and your legal structure around all of that. Coming to step number 5, which would be the financial plan. This is where it's a bit tricky for me because I don't have any accounting background or anything, so I still need to figure that out. But it's basically, it would be a sales forecast and a profit and loss calculation. And basically the whole point about this is to figure out how much it's going to cost you to start the business and when you will break even. The 6 would be the appendix, which is basically just all the research and whatnot. Why would you need a business plan? So you need a business plan. A business plan helps with a lot of different things. It would help you to discover your potential weaknesses, your business opportunities. It would help you analyze the market and the competition. It would help you plan strategies for moving forward. It also could help convince potential investors as to why they should invest in your company, and also customers. Why would the customers want to come to you instead of your competitors?
In the meantime, what I did further is I wrote down a whole list of questions that I'm going to be asking myself in order to complete the business plan. So it's basically it's the 6 questions of who, what, when, where, why, and how. Those are the questions that I'm going to be answering. On top of that, just to aid me in a little bit of market research and target market, I created a Google form as like a little survey that I sent out to everyone on my social media platforms, just so that they can fill it in so I can get a bit more insight as to what I am expecting. I'll link the form in the description as well, so you guys, please, if you don't mind, go and have a look at it and help me gather even more insight. And yeah, so what else I am doing today is just a whole bunch of more research just to understand the market opportunities a bit better, and the next steps regarding actually starting with the business.
With that, I think that concludes today's episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.